What's up, YouTube? I'm adding my driveway this time to this. This is my second time attempting to load this bike in the truck. It's a BMW S1000rr. I'm using the driveway to make my incline and my angle a little bit less.
Filming this?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Hey. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just wanted to give a quick video here of how I have my bike strapped in the back of the truck. Just a little something I bought off Cycle Gear. They had on sale to make a whole world of a difference. It's basically this wheel chalk right here. Heard reviews to put a towel underneath it just to prevent it from getting stuck when you hit the vibrations. And then I have this thing from Cycle Gear, this strap that goes over the handlebars, and then you just attach your ratchet strap to that, and that pretty S1000rr right there. She's a beauty. God, she's fun to ride. And we got the other side right there, the same. And I just have my two ramps right here to be able to load and unload, using the driveway this time to make my angle a little less. Anyway, I'm gonna take another video here in a minute of me getting it out of the truck by myself, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, I'm about to unload this thing. I got to get it out of that wheel chalk. I think that's going to be my biggest obstacle. Down the ramps and home free. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, disastrous.
It's a 2-minute video. You get your bike open.
Well, that was a little sketchy, but we got her done.